The Autodesk Assistant helps reduce overall design time for designers by generating guidance and direction to additional learning resources using a conversational interface powered by Autodesk AI. Use the Autodesk Assistant to help with design tasks, learn about new features, and troubleshoot design challenges without leaving the workspace. Once questioned, the Autodesk Assistant will return a number of curated solutions to the problem, which can be explored instantly, or provide AI-generated responses which summarize information from multiple sources. If further help is required, a support agent can be contacted directly in order to discuss the issue live, and the designer's account information is automatically populated to speed up the support process. The support agent will then log into the chat and will first review the request and then initiate a discussion with the designer in order to solve the issue as quickly as possible. At the end of the discussion, a full transcript can be saved directly, but will also be emailed to the designer as a record of the interaction. As an alternative to the live chat with the support agent, the designer can initiate a support case. A support case form is presented with contact details and initial question pre-populated, which can then be edited. The option to upload relevant files is also available. Once the case has been submitted, a summary is produced with case number, all of which is emailed to the designer.